Hello everyone! Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel, Farm TV Realty Lopez. This is Louis, one of your site locators today. At ngayong araw ay nandito pa rin tayo sa bahay ng General Luna, Quezon. Alright, ngayon naman ay may isa-site tayong property na may sukat or lawak na 4.9 hectares o hektarya. Kung makikita nyo right now, nakatayo ako sa part nito. Ito po ay Barangay Road. Hindi pa lang siya naayos pero nabutasan na po ito. So gagawin na po siyang Barangay Road. Ang property po natin is doon pa sa after ng ilog. Bale may boundary dyan ng ilog or sapa. And then after nung ilog and sapa, ayun na yung pinaka-property natin. Merong part dyan and meron ding part dito. Alright, ang property is mula sa town proper ng General Luna is may mga 9 kilometers ang layo. And from here to the National Road may mga 2 kilometers ang layo. From dun sa pinaka binabaan namin or pinaghintuan ng sasakyan ay may mga 200 meters pa kaming nilakad papunta sa property. Alright, so tara, tingnan natin yung property. Again guys, itong dinadaanan ko or nilalakaran ko is Barangay Road. Kaso lang ay hindi pa siya naayos. Although, again, nabutasan na siya. Okay. Ang puno ng niyog dito is more or less nasa 1,000. Okay. Again, ito po ay still a Barangay Road.
Pala pare ang kapantayan ay. Ayun na.
Okay, this is still a Barangay Road. Okay, kung makita nyo, bale ito yung pinaka-ilog natin or sapa, and then ayun na yung part ng property. Kasama na po yun sa property, no? Ito pong mga niyog.
Yan ang pagitan na dito.
Itong nilalakaran ko right now is hindi kasama sa property. Okay, medyo may pagka masukal yung daan. Just bear with me lang po. Okay. Ayan, ito yung pinakasapa. Ayan, ito yung sinasabi kong boundary. Yung sapa or ilog. I'm not really sure. Oh, I'm so sorry. Alright, itong part nito is kasama na sa property. Again, ito yung pinaka-boundary niya. Doon tayo nang galing kanina sa may taas. Ayan. Kanina, the weather was really nice though, but suddenly became cloudy. Alright. Yung sapa is parang paikot pa doon. So, yung sa kabilang side again ng sapa is kasama sa property. Alright. Guys, again, if you have any questions, inquiries, or anything, do not hesitate to message or call us through the phone numbers on the right side of the video, okay? Either about this property or sa mga previous properties or vlogs that you have watched. And again, the estimation is of this, of the coconut trees or yung mga puno ng niyog is mga nasa 1,000 daw. More or less 1,000. Oops, there's no way here. Ayan. Although I'm not really sure kung gaano karami nga harvest kapag harvest season na. But yeah, as you can see, I'm not really sure if again kita sa video yung mga bunga ng niyog. Merong mga niyog na super daming bunga. Meron din naman na hindi masyadong maraming bunga. So I'm not sure if baka mga nalaglag na lang yung iba. Again, yung boundary is ayang sapa or ilog. May mangga. I think walang masyadong mga fruit bearing tree. I think this is sampalok if I'm not mistaken. Or tamarind in English. Yeah, I think walang masyadong ibang fruit bearing trees. I can see 2 mango trees. And matataas yung puno ng niyog. Actually. It is cloudy, but it's also humid. Medyo mainit. Ayan, there are a couple of banana trees then. Yeah, you guys heard it. Ayan, I can see some or a few mahogany trees, I think.
Sabihin mababa pa ho. Papayat mo.
Ano tong puno nito? Anahaw ba yun? Taas.
Yung hawang yun.
Okay.
Hindi ako kasama sa bintana.
Hindi daw po kasama si Kuya sa binibenta. Asa na sila, Kuya?
Yung may kawayan yun. Daw yung may kawayan yun. Hanggang doon daw may kawayan na pinipili.
Okay. Yan, meron daw. Gawayan daw. Ang ganda daw. Sa may gawayan. Oh my God, I'm sweating a lot. And I'm running out of breath, but it's okay. It's all part of the job. Alright, again, as I've mentioned earlier, some of the coconut trees is maraming magbunga. Some of them is hindi naman like super madami. But like what I've mentioned then earlier, ang mga puno ng nyug dito is more or less 1,000. So I think every harvest season is marami talagang nakukuha. Alam niyo po kuya kung ano? Mga ilan po na harvest dito kapag harvest season?
Opo, marami na-harvest kami ng talagang sagad ang bunga, mga
8,000 po.
8,000. So dito wala akong tinyog, halos namin 2,000 lang.
Ah, okay po.
Kasama po po yung dulo niya, no?
Doon po sa may banda doon.
Wala pa po ng bako na, kasama ko yun. Ano po yun?
I think I can see a couple of mahogany trees there. And again, another mango tree. Ayan, if you guys heard what Kuya said, tuwing harvest season kapag sagad na yung mamunga yung mga niyog is mga nasa 8,000 daw yung na-harvest nila. Kapag naman hindi is mga nasa 2,000 to 4,000, mga ganyan daw. Ayun, I can see a couple of sir, a couple of okay, I'm so sorry, I was interrupted. I can see a couple of mahogany trees and yung boundary daw dito is itong kawayan. Ayun mga kawayan. That one. Alright, everyone again, yeah, before I say goodbye, again, I just want to tell you na ayang nakikita nyo yan is sakop pa ng property, okay? Again, if you have any questions, any inquiries, do not hesitate to message us or call us through the phone numbers on the right side, upper right side of the video or this vlog. Again, this is Louise, one of your site locators today. Thank you so much and see you on our next vlogs. Bye!